everyone, I hope you're doing fine. In this video today we are going to get free domain and free hosting and building a WordPress website. So let's start. I'm on the Chrome browser and I'm going to access a web URL www.webhost.com. I'm going to create a new account and I'm going to create a new account with my Google login. I'm selecting my account. Okay, great. My account is ready. As you can see that it is iCyberTrends, and I'm going to manage my website setting by opening this panel and managing website. So once I click here, this will open this sub menu. As you can see the WordPress, but before going to install this WordPress, I'm going to set my URL, and that will be a shortest URL that I'm going to use in this video series. So what I'm doing is I'm going to the website settings, general settings, and as you can see that website name, you can change this name of your website here. You can open these settings here, as well as you can go back and select tools and set web address. So here my website is null, so I'm going to create a new domain and I'm going to park my domain. I'm selecting next, and here I have two server names and my domain name. If you are purchased new domain, so you can connect this server to your domain names. So I'm going to get a new domain by going to a website called freenom.com. Okay, my account is ready. As you can see that hello iCyber. So before going ahead to get a free domain, I just want to confirm that my account details are completed. So I'm going to account details. As you can see that my account is already created and I fulfilled this form, and now I'm going to get services and I'm going to register a new domain. Okay, here I'm going to type iCyber and check availability. Okay, as you can see that iCyberclicks.tk is already taken, and I'm going to access this shortest URL iCyberclicks.ml. As you can see, you can get any others. So I'm going to access this iCyberclicks.ml. So I'm selecting this and I'm going to check out this. On this menu, I'm going to select free period of 12 months, the maximum, and I'm going to access this use DNS, and here I'm going to click the sub tab use your own DNS. So I'm going to copy this DNS name server and I'm pasting this here as well as here. So I'm renaming this to 2 and I'm going to press continue. Okay, my order is almost ready and I'm going to complete it. Okay, great, my order is completed. So I'm going back to client area and now I am here typing my same address iCyberclicks.ml. So I'm going to actually connect this free domain and I'm going to get this hosting from this website www.webhost.com. so I'm parking my domains. Okay, great. As you can see that my domain is parked and waiting for name servers. So this will take a while to complete, and there will be status of this will be ready. So this may take up to 10 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, and once this will be ready, so we will go for further details by linking this to this new domain name. Okay, great. After waiting for 5 minutes, my status for linking this website with this URL is ready. So I'm going to click the manage section and I'm going to link website. So your website, this website will start using the following domain after you proceed. So I'm changing the domain name from this to this. So I'm selecting this as my default domain name. So I'm connecting this one, and here we go. My domain name is Park. So I'm going back to the home section and build a website. Okay, I'm on the home page and I'm going to install the WordPress on my domain. So I'm clicking install. As you can see, that is asking me to input your username and password and URL. So by default the admin is there and password is set up. As you can see this, I'm going to copy this password. So this is a pattern of giving password by small letter, capital letters and symbols, and you can read this more. So I'm going to select URL icyberclicks.ml, or you may select this one as well. So both will be same. So I'm going to select my default language as English. So I'm going to install this WordPress. So this process may take up to maybe 2-3 minutes. So my WordPress installation is in progress. So once this will be complete, I will be back. Okay, my WordPress installation process is completed. As you can see, congratulations, it's ready, and I'm going to click on this link to access my WordPress dashboard. So I'm clicking on this and I have to put my login credential that I have set up before, and I'm going to paste my password and clicking on login. Okay, great. I am on the WordPress dashboard, and as you can see that all the features are accessed and you can start building your website. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to check my website. So I'm clicking on new tab, and here's default theme that my website has, and I'm going to change these themes. But before going ahead, if you check this URL, this is very long, and this is by default they set up these things for me. So what I'm doing is I'm going to open a new tab, and here I'm typing iCyber, the URL that I have set up before, clicks, and I'm going to select .ml that we have set up before, and dash WordPress WP dash admin. So here I'm accessing the WordPress admin section of iCyberclicks.ml. So I'm pressing the enter button. So I have to put the same login credential here, and I'm pasting my password. All you need is to close these extra things, and you can customize your website here. But before going ahead, if you look at this URL, I'm opening my website in new tab, and here is my default theme that I've set up for my WordPress. So as you can see, the link is showing something else. So do not worry about this. Just go to new tab and start typing your URL that we have set up before, iCyberclicks.ml, and I'm pressing the enter button. As you can see, the same theme here. So what I'm doing is I'm going to WordPress dashboard and appearance, and I'm going to select theme, and I'm going to add new themes here. So I'm searching for new themes, and I am just for testing purpose I'm going to install these themes. So this will be default themes for my both. So I'm activating this. Okay, my new themes is set up, and I'm going to refresh my these links, Okay, my new theme is here, and as you can see that the URL is very simple and short, and you are on the home page and you can start building your website from this dashboard. So do not worry about this address. Just go and start building your website on this dashboard, and your URL will be this.